button 1 will be able to move in this direction, that is the 2 and 5, and 2 will move 1 3 6 3 2 4 7, okay, and 7 we move 3 6 8 and 11, and so on. So let's put that together in the codes. So I'm going to open up the codes again. Now let's come down here and let's start by entering as follows. Let's say private, no, public, make that public, void btn data 1. That's for the very first button, underscore click events. There, that's my very first one. So I'm actually addressing this object that is created here. So that's what I'm addressing now. Now the direction of movement is going to be 2 and 5. So let's come in here, grab hold of this function here. You see, check sport to see if there's an empty sport. So that is going to be check sport if the button btn1 btn data 1 comma btn data number 2, okay, swap data 1 to data 2. There we go. Then we also should be able to swap button 5 as well. There we go. Come right down here and change that to 5. There. So we can move in the direction of, if you guys can still recall, we can move to 2 and 5. Okay. So back in here, if we can move 2 and 5, we then need our solution. This very one. We call this solution to check. Okay, so come in here. Let's place the solution there. Solution, we want you to check. The function solution will carry that out for us. The next one is going to be for button number 2. In the case of button number 2, direction of movement is going to be 1 3 6. So come in here, change this to 2, and this is 2 as well. 2, that will be 1 3 and 6. So that takes care of button number 2. 6 in there. If you notice, the button that is making the movement is to the left, and where it's moving to is to the right. Now button number 3. Button number 3, direction of movement is going to be 2 4 7. So grab hold of this, paste, and let's change that to 2 4 7. That's 3 3 3 3. That's 2 4 and 7. That's direction of movement. Now we have button number 4. Button number 4 will only be able to move in 2 directions, 3 8. Okay, so let's come back in here, grab all of this, just 2 direction for button 4, paste 2 direction, that is 3 and 8. That's 3 and 8, and this is button 4. Change all of this to 4. There. Now button 5. Button 5 should be able to move 3 directions. So I'm going to grab hold of the 3, the one with the 3, paste that here for button 5. Button 5 should be able to move 1 6 and 9. 6 9. There. and this is 5 there. And button number 6, that should be able to move 4 different directions. So let's come down in here, change that to 6, and 4 different directions. So copy one more. So the movement will be 2, 5, 7, and 10. There we go. And this is button 6. Then we have button 7. Button 7 can also move 4 different directions. Grab hold of this and paste right underneath here. Change that to 7. Okay. And the direction of movement of button 7 is 3, 6, 8, 11. There. Now, button 8 will be 3 directions. There. That is going to be 4. It can move 7 as well. And 12. And the button we're referring to is button 8. So change all of these to 8. There we go. Then we have button 9. Button 9 can move 2 directions. That'll be 5 and 10. So paste that underneath here. Change this to 9. Okay. Delete. That is 5 and 10. And this is button 9. There. Okay, we now have button 10. Button 10 should be able to move 3 different directions. So those directions we include 6, 9, and 11. So I'm going to grab hold of this. Paste it right underneath here. And this is button number 10. Direction of movement will be 6, 9, and 11. 11. That's button 10. And 10 here. Okay, that's nice. So button 11. In the case of 11, paste. Change that to 11. 11 and 11 and 11. Okay, I'm missing. Okay. And direction of movement of button 11 is 7, 10, and 12. 7, 10, and 12. And all of this is 11. Okay. Now, finally, we need the solution checker here as well. Make sure solution checker is there. Yeah, that's good. Now, we need to take care of button number 12. In the case of 12, 12 only make 2 movements. Can move in 2 directions. Change this to 12. Delete this. And direction of movement is 8 and 11. 8, 11. There we go. Okay, we have 3 more functions to take care of. One is going to be for reset, and the other one is going to be for the solution. So let's come up here and see resets. Okay, we can grab hold of the resets. bring that down. In the case of reset, all we just need to do is to call the function. So let's come down here, reset, and this is going to be, let's change that to void, and it's going to be click event as well, underscore click. There. So we need our shuffler, and that is called button shuffle. Grab hold of that, scroll right down, paste that in here, and there. And we also need our txt display. Txt display count dot text, that will be equals, I'm going to change that to number shuffle game. There, that is taken care of. And finally, we now need to take care of our solution checker. So let's create another one. The solution checker is just to tell us if, I think it's just to, it's another way of cheating anyway. That's it. That's the truth about solution checker. So let's go up here. Might as well just copy all of this. Yeah, I only need this. Yeah, I need this. All of this here. Grab hold of that. Up to 12. Scroll right down. And just paste that in here. Solution checker, this should be something that says you win. Okay, if that is for solution checker, get rid of this. Yeah, I think that will work. If it doesn't work, I'll just change it around. You can always enter this method, but instead of me deleting, just copy and paste that. As it is, it seems like a long process, but it's alright. That should work. If it doesn't work, we change it around to this, but it will work. Just a string, empty string, that's all. Alright, now you see this one here. Let's change it to U1, knowing quite well that you did not win, you were just cheating. So, oh, that should be well done. That should be well done. Well done. You are a winner. Well done. You are a winner. So grab all of this and paste this one in there. Well done. You are a winner. I'll cut that off. Oh, we don't need this. That will shuffle it again. Just paste that underneath here. Okay, then. And that's it. So I'm going to save that. Okay, let's go. Let's have a look at this first. Okay, make sure you guys import the following and create the following variables. Create this function here, and the second function. This function will check if the numbers are in order. If it's in order, this message pops up. But if it's not in order, every time you click, this counter records how many clicks. Now, this is the button that will automatically reshuffle the game. Sorry, this is the function that reshuffle the buttons. Okay, randomly. It is randomly shuffled. Have a good look at those lines of code. Bring it down. There we go. And we call that very function here when the system starts. Now, those are the lines of code for each button. Direction of movement, in as much as the direction of movement is empty. There. All right, 12 reset solution. There we go. Save that. Now let's go to Unity editor. Back on Unity editor, the next thing is let's drop this canvas down and this panel. You see my button btn object. I'm going to drag my code, dump it right there. Now all my variables are in here. It's now asking me what should I do with all of these. Let's get them populated with the button text box. Drag, drop. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, 4, 5, we have 6. That is for 7. Then we have 8. Select that, drag 8 there. We have 9. Bring up 9. Do that again. Drag 9, drop it in there. We have 10, 11, 12. There we go. Then check out the resets. The reset. There we go. Solution checker. Let's see the solution checker. That's the solution checker in there. There we go. Then we have the counter. Yeah, just put that in there. You don't have to. And text display. That is the text display. Okay, all of them are in there now. So if there's no error, once I run it, the system should run. But before I run it, I'm going to come in here again. You see this game object? I will select every single one of these buttons because we need to attach an event to it, and that is meant to be a click event. So let's do that now. So each of these buttons will attach events to them. So select this button here, this one, all of them there. And if you scroll right down in the inspector, scroll right down, we have a click event here. So I'm going to click on this plus sign to add an object. So it's now asking me where is the object. The object is right here. That is it. Drag and drop there. So the object is now attached to every single button. So let's select button number 1. The function for button number 1 will be right there. If you go to your shuffle code, that is function for button number 1. It's attached. Button 2, shuffle code, button number 2. Button 3, repeat the same thing. Check out the function for 3. 4, check out the function as well for button 4. 5, repeat the same thing. Button 6, just grab hold of function for 6. Button number 7, grab hold of the function for button number 7. Button 8, repeat that. Button 9, there we go. Button 10, there's the function for button 10 there. Button 11, there we go. 12, and there. Then we have the reset. We do have function for reset. Solution checker. Yes, we do have that as well. Solution. It's called BTN solution. Yeah. Then the counter. Do we really need to add? No, we don't have anything for counter. So I'm going to leave that empty. Yeah. No, we don't have anything. It's counter plus equals 1. So that is fine. So all this reference that I'm making to this button is right here. Remember the lines of code and each function that was created. This solution checker and so on. Reset button 12, 11. Those are the lines of code. Those are the functions that were attached to each buttons. Minimize that. Okay, let's try it out now. I'm going to click on run. There we go. You see that, guys? That is brilliant. All right, it's working as I want. And now the next thing is let's check out this reset. There, that reset the whole lot. Reshuffle it, actually, that's good. And what about solution? No solution. What have I done wrong? Let's see. Let's go back in. And here I need to change this one to reset. Select that. Where is this button? Reset. That is it right there. And change the text I need to reset. Alright, that's taken care of. Now let's go to the codes and check out what I've done wrong. Take it from the top, have a good look at the lines of code one more time, bring it down and down. My first function, second function, and here I have the shuffler function. Let's make sure. Okay, I remember copying this, so let's come in here. This is my solution here. Where is it? Solution. There we go. Oh no, it's empty. Nah. That should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That is that. That's fixed. That was meant to be what I should have done. Okay, save that and go back to my editor. Right. Let's see how that's going to work now. Now run. There. Okay, look at that, guys. That's beautiful. So there we go. The solution works. Reshuffle. And that is how you create your own number shuffle in Unity, guys. Yes, you can do it. If I can, you guys can do it too. So you give that a shot. And please do subscribe to this my channel. And I'll be very happy if you guys can also join and become a channel member. So you all have a nice day now and bye for now. So let's say we check out the solution. There we go. It says I'm the winner. You all have a nice day and bye for now. But remember, channel members, there's a lot of benefit for you channel members. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.